heading to Columbus to pick up a Thule Motion XT size XL roof box to put on my roof rack, which is the Evo wing bars with Evo clamps and the Honda Civic fit kit. So hopefully it fits. Hopefully it appears new from Fast Track. I hope that it has everything and it's actually new. Hopefully it'll just pop on and I can drive back to Cincinnati an hour and a half with no issues.
Sit back and relax.
Let's go, buddy. Made it all the way from Nebraska. Pulling into downtown Columbus. Gonna check out a new coffee shop. It's good. It's taller than me. So big.
Sit back and relax.
Looks good. Might have a couple scratches, just minor scratches on the top, but my issue is it's an XXL. I thought it was an XL, so it's a beast. Hopefully I can make it back to Cincy. Well, when you get deals, you don't always have all the assurances that you get when you pay the MSRP. Turns out this is an XXL. One size bigger than I thought, and I already thought it was going to be massive. This thing is tech.
Sit back and relax.
Got it installed seamlessly, it seems. Hey, there's a pun there. There it is. Just doubled the capacity of my Honda Civic, and I got the stamp of approval from the neighboring vehicle driver. Thank you, mister. And help putting it on by this guy named Mark. So lots of friendly people here. And I made friends with the owner of this Fast Track location. He lent me a quarter and I brought it back to him, and he did not expect that. So all in all, a great experience, saving $500 at Fast Track, getting the XXL, which I did not think it was going to be the biggest one that they make, but honestly it looks sweet. We'll see how it does on the road. That's the last test, but as far as looks, it looks sweet. So I'm glad. I mean, looks wise, I do not wish it was smaller. Can't go to Columbus without going to Tim Hortons. I mean, it's halfway to Canada at this point. You have to.
Продолжайте интенсивно дышать.
First highway test complete.
Дышать.
It feels somewhat secure. Wasn't wobbling on the highway, that's good.
Relax.
The other side seems a little looser. Wonder why that is. Either way, it looks sick, and that's all that matters, right?
И еще мощный вдох. И такой же мощный выдох.
back to Cincinnati. An hour and a half drive, 90 miles, I believe. No issues. You love to see it. Honda Civics really aren't that bad. I mean, the Honda Fit or Jazz or whatever the heck, that's technically smaller. There's also the two-door, which is smaller than this. And so it's the third smallest Honda, but it can carry the biggest Thule or Thule, whatever you want to call it. Motion XXL. Effortlessly, baby! She looks good.
He's back.